Today I'll be showing you how to make bucket design. In this design, the work really lies at the base of the bag, and for you to get it, you need to pay attention to every step of it. So the first thing, we make a ring of 6. We'll be going in with 6 beads. Cross with the 6th one to give us a ring of 6. So after making this ring, we want to make another 6 rings on each of the blue beads that we have. So I'm going in with 5 beads now. Cross with the 5th one, and we have another 6th ring. So we'll continue like that till he gets to the end of the blue first ring that we'll make. So this time around, let's notice that I'm going in with 4 beads. So I'm going to continue with 4 beads. Another 4, 2, 3, 4. Then cross with the 4th one to make another 6 ring. Add my 4 to make another 6 ring. Okay, so now I want to close it up, so I'm going to be passing my line to the next blue bead and to the first pink bead to close it up. So this time around I'll be going in with 3 beads to close it up. Okay, so now we are done with the second step and also the 3rd step. So now we are going to be making rings of 5 and 6 alternatively. This time around I'm going in with 4 beads. Cross with the 4th one, and that's going to give me a ring of 6. Let's count. So we have a 6 ring. So after that, I'll pass my line to the next bead, 1, and I'm passing it to 1. Yeah. So this time around I'm making a ring of 5. I'm making a ring of 5. So I'll be adding 3 beads. Just with the 3rd one. That gives me ring of 5. So now I'll be passing my line to the next 2 beads. Don't forget, the second one we did was just passing our line to 1 bead, but this time around I'm passing it to the next 2 beads, and I'm going to be making a ring of 6. I'm going in with 3 beads. Cross with the 3rd one, and that's going to give me a ring of 6. So now I'm going to pass it to 1 bead. I'll pass my line to 1 bead, the next 1 bead, yes, I'll pass it, then I'll add 3 beads to give me a ring of 5. So like I said, we'll be making rings of 6 and 5 alternatively. So this is the process we'll be following till we get to the last. So now I'm going to pass my line to the next 2 beads to get a ring of 6. This is it's kind of complex that you really need to pay a full attention to it, or else okay, so we'll continue that till we get to the last. This video is in 2 parts because to make the base actually took time. Okay, so now we are close to closing it up, and like we normally do, you pass your line to the next 2 beads for closing up. Yes, and we are going to add 2 beads to close up. Cross for the second one, and that's it for the 3rd part of the base. Don't forget, we are still making the base of the bag. So on to the next. Okay, so now what we'll be doing is not hard. It's just to weave the normal way we always weave, you know. Add your 3, cross with the 3rd one, then pass your line to the next one, add your 2, cross with the 2nd one. So we'll just do the normal weaving that we always do till we get to the end That's just what we'll be doing, the way I'm doing the video, so till we get to the end. Okay, so as I was saying it, I said this video is in 2 parts because the base took a long time making it, and I want to show every details of it. So the second part is about building the bag up, so it's not really going to take our time like that. So it's about building the bag up. So this is just about the base. I'll leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and I'll be dropping the second part of the video soon. So don't forget to like, share, and drop whatever comments you have in the comment section. And if you're a new subscriber, don't forget to on your notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you very much. Okay, so now we'll be closing with just a bead, and the base of our bag is ready. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.